Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video we will be discussing about something special. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let's head towards the video. So guys, in today's video what we are going to do is we always play PUBG. We have done a lot of live streams, that's PUBG Mobile, and I never tried PUBG PC. So PUBG itself has officially launched the PUBG Lite version of the PC, that is PUBG PC Lite. And in this video we are going to discuss how are we going to download it and the complete setup. I'm not going to download it and show you, but then I can guide you through the whole way. So guys, let's head on to the PC screen here, and before getting started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and before watching the whole video, give this video a thumbs up, and please do comment. And now moving on to the topic, first need to just subscribe to the channel, and then you have to just open this website. I'll give you the website in the description, and this is the website of the PUBG Lite. It's a beta test, but then just download it. A stable version will also be released soon, and there is some sort of sound outside, so hope you guys don't matter. And there are some page photos running around here, and the way you have to go into start the procedure is first go to the account section and sign up for the official PUBG PC Lite global account. And here you will have to create an account. Don't have an account, creating a PUBG account opens up a world of opportunities. We use your global PUBG account as a vessel to deliver Twitch drops, limited time in-game swag, and more. So you can just click create my account and create an email, use your email address that you already own, and then a password, and make sure you give the password that you will not forget. Please be careful about this, guys. This is a global PUBG account, you just can't afford to forget the password. And if you just click on create my account and then enter up all these details and your date of birth, and agree to the terms and conditions, and click create my account, then go back to the official page and click on login. And when you click on login, it will ask you for the same details. After doing all this stuff, you are logged into the PUBG account on the website. Then you'll have to head on to the download option, and over here it will provide you with the basic requirements of your PC that you require to play this game. Windows 7, 8 or 10, or 7, 8, 10, 64-bit. You have to have the Intel Core i3, 4GB RAM, DirectX 11 Intel HD graphics 4000, and HDD 4GB hard disk drive, that's 4GB. So you can also have the higher version of RAM, 8GB, with AMD Radeon HD 780, that the graphics card. And you need to download these extra softwares, that is Microsoft Visual C++, Net Framework 4.5.2, DirectX 11. I prefer you guys download it from another website, from external sources. You can just go ahead, download these from there, and then you can go ahead and click on this download option and then download it. And after downloading, you just don't have to do anything. You just log in through the PUBG account. First you just need to extract all these 3 files and then install them. And after installing all those, download PUBG, install it, and then you just need to sign up with the account that you just signed up here from the PUBG Lite beta test global account. Just sign in through that and you will be in the game, and just try getting chicken dinners. And that's the way, guys. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like the video and leave a comment, guys, if you guys need any help. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.